Hi all, welcome to my channel Techie, and today, in my past videos, couple of videos, I've been discussing pivot table in Google Sheets. So in the same context, I'm also giving or explaining. I'm going to explain how to apply filters and how to apply uh, values, rows and columns in the pivot table, because this is a pivot table is basically the combination of rows, columns, and values and filters as well. So if one knows about these four items like rows, where to apply rows, where to apply columns, where to apply uh, value, which field we can use for values and which field we can use for filter, and there are different conditions to apply using filters. So if one knows about uh, these all four factors, I don't think he'll be not knowing about the pivot table and how to create this pivot table. So I'm going to my Google Sheet, and there is a sheet of the alumni who have registered for uh, the functions of the school. And this time I'm going to find out how many students are there from different year and from different designations and different organizations. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So here, this is a Google Sheet. Over here, if you see, there are multiple records, and this detail I have collected through the Google form, circulated the Google form, where I have seen how many students are from. I can observe how many students are from Army, how many students are from um category of students, and after seeing all this, I reached on the consensus that I should create a pivot table, how many students from different years and different organizations and different designations. So let's start. So this is my Google Sheet, and here I'm going to create a pivot table. So I'm clicking on insert. Here I'll select the pivot table, and there is a complete sheet range, and I do not want to select this range. I want to select the entire range. Okay, insert pivot table. This time it is showing from 1 to 330 rows, 330 rows. Okay, the entire sheet I have selected. Then I'm going to create this. So it automatically gives the idea how will the pivot table look like. So here there should be rows of the Google Sheet, and horizontally we can arrange the columns and values, what you want, like if you want to sum up, if you want to count, this can be done through values. And apart from these three factors, I'll also be having one more factor, that is the filters. So since I have told you that I am going to count number of students of different years, so my first field is year of passing. So I am dragging to the row section. So here this is the row. And if you see here, one row is empty, and so I am going to use a filter here. So filter is year of passing. And here this is a blank, so I am excluding it. So the complete years from 1992 to 2025, and I'm going to count number of students, so that is why I'm checking the values. So values, taking dragging the name and values this way. So here one student is from 1992 and 19 students from 1993. So this way we can use find out how many students belong to different years. And what I am going to do here, I am also taking one field, that is the organization, which I am going to set in columns. So here there are Army, Civil, and Navy. So in 1992, there is only one student from Civil, and 1993 there are two students from Army, and 17 students are from Civil. There is no student from Navy, and so on. So this way we can apply filter, rows, and columns, and values as well, because if I have not selected values, so it would not have been coming to the columns. So values are there. So here there are rows, there are columns, there are values, and here there is a filter. So if you want to suppose apply the filter like mm, how many students, there is only one student, so I am excluding it. I can also exclude using if I unclick this, uncheck this, then I'll see there is no student from 1992. So this way I can apply the filter. I can give it a name like summary of the students, summary of the students. That's all. So hope you understood the concept of filter, row, values, and columns, and hope you like this. And if you like this, kindly use this in your day-to-day task and share it with your friends if you like this. And if you like my videos, kindly put a comment in my description box so that I'll see and reply. But your comments truly motivate me. So we'll meet in the next video with some other command and scenarios. So till then, bye bye.